In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Kajabi coupon codes in just 5 minutes. Whether you're offering a special discount for a new product launch or promoting a limited time sale, creating coupon codes on Kajabi is a straightforward process. To get started, head over to kajabi.com. Up in the upper right corner, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. You can either use your email or conveniently sign in with your Google account if that's how your Kajabi account is set up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Kajabi dashboard. From here, navigate to the Sales tab, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen. Under this tab, you'll see an option labeled Coupons. Click on it to enter the Coupons section. Now you're ready to create a new coupon. Look for the plus new coupon button and click on it. This will open up a new window where you can choose what type of coupon you'd like to create. Kajabi offers two types. Single coupon for a unique one-time code, or bulk codes if you want to generate multiple codes at once, which is particularly useful if you're running a large campaign and need to distribute several coupons. Once you've decided on the type of coupon, you'll need to enter the coupon details. These details include the name of your coupon, the discount type, which could be a percentage off or a specific dollar amount, and its expiration date. Clear and descriptive names will help you identify the coupon later on and manage your promotions more effectively. Next, it's time to associate your coupon with an offer. Click the Add Offer button and select the offer that you want the coupon to apply to. This could be a particular course, digital product, or membership level. Make sure that you select the correct offer so that the discount applies as you intend it to. If you opted for the bulk codes option earlier, you'll be prompted to specify how many coupons you'd like to generate. Kajabi allows you to create up to 1,000 codes, so make sure you enter a number that suits your needs. This can be a huge time saver for large promotions. Once you've input all the necessary information and configured your coupon, it's time to save your work. Kajabi will automatically generate a discount link for you. This link is especially handy because it applies the coupon automatically when clicked, making it easier for your customers to receive their discount without having to manually enter a code. You can now share this link with your audience through email, social media, or any other marketing channels you're using. And that's it, you've successfully created a coupon code on Kajabi. Feel free to return to the coupon section anytime you need to create more codes or manage existing ones. Happy selling!